Good morning, children. How are you? You are fine. Thanks. I welcome to you. Today is good day, our auspicious day to discuss something about English language. Yesterday we discussed in our topic mathematics. In this part, I ask some questions to you. Try to give the answers. First question is, what was the young man doing? You know, what was the young man doing? The answer is, the young man was counting the flocks of birds flying in the sky. The young man was counting the flocks of birds in the sky. The next question is, who saw him? A man riding a camel saw him. A man riding a camel saw him. Now we discuss SG2. Mathematics SG2. Magic SGB2. First, all of you open your book, page number 11, and read SG2. Then follow me, reading pronunciation of the words. Okay? The man took him all his camel. He promised him a job with the king. On their way, they saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels standing nearby. Their quarrel was on how to divide the camels among them. Their father had died, but he had a will before his death. According to his will, the eldest son would get half of the camel, the second son 1/3, and the youngest son 1/9. But they had 35 camels to divide among themselves. This was difficult. As per the father's will, the eldest brother will get 17 half camels, the second little less than 12 camels, and the youngest son little less than 4 camels. You read it and find out the difficult words and write down. You see the difficult words in this sense group paragraph 2. First word is, you see, what is promise? P-R-O-M-I-S-E. Promise means oath, pledge. The next word you can find quarrel, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel means angry, dispute. Next word, according, A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G. According means agreeing or suitable. Next, we put to another word, according plus to, according to, A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G. According to, that means due to. Then you can find another word, difficult, D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T. Difficult means hard or not easy. Then you can find an interesting word in this topic, will. We know will as the modal auxiliary verb, but in this topic you can find will used as noun. That means we see and desire. Then come to the point. The man took him on his camel. Here the word took, which tells you to camel say took is a past form. So write down verb 1, verb 2. So finding in this line, to is the past form. So the sentence goes to past tense. What I mean, what it is the present form to take. T-A-K-E. Present form take a, to go, take a present form, to past form. Then you can find another word, promise. He promised him a job with the king. So which tense he promised the past? Write down promise, P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D. Promise the past form, present form, promise, P-R-O-M-I-S-E-D. Then next word is quarrel. Quarrel. Quarrel is Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. Quarrel. Q-A-R-R-E-L-L-E-D. Quarrel. Then another word is there's 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels. So here the verb is saw. S-A-W. Saw is past tense. Present tense is see. So we know take the present tense verb to past verb, promise present verb, promise past verb, quarrel present verb, quarrel past verb, see present verb, saw past verb. Thanks. Then we see make a sentence using the word promise. Make a sentence. Promise. Promise means oath pledge. Promise means oath that I promise to behave. I promise to behave. When I promise, I keep it. When I promise, when I make a promise, when I make a promise, I keep it. Likewise, we can make another sentences promise. In your book, promise is used as a past simple. He promised him a job with a king. So in this paragraph, we know their father had a will. He had a will. Will means wish desire. So we know the man took him on his camel, promised him a job with the king. On their way, they saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels standing nearby. Their quarrel was on how to divide the camels among them. Their father had died. So here the word died past simple D-I-E. Present form is D-I-E. Died. Their father had died, but he had a will before his death. Will. He had a will. Let him will. He had a will. So we know will is the modal auxiliary verb, but now in the sentence will is used as a noun because we see the word article is used before the word will. So will is used as a noun. The meaning of will is wish or desire. He had will before his death. According to his will, the eldest son would get half of the camel, the second son 1/3, and the youngest son 1/9. But they had 35 camels to divide among themselves. This was difficult as for the father's will. The eldest brother will get 17.5 camels, and the second little less than 12, and the youngest son little less than 4 camels. In this topic, we find the word oldest word. So what is the function of the word oldest? Oldest is the superlative oldest, and eldest E-L-D-E-S-T. Compare the elder E-L-D-E-R and older O-L-D-R. The positive degree of the word old. Only old, only one older, oldest, older, elder, eldest. Likewise, younger, youngest. So this is the old and young, positive adjective, elder, older, younger, comparative adjective, eldest, oldest, youngest, superlative adjective. So my dear students, you read this topic and practice question answers and difficult words. Thanks, very much. Thanks to you.